This is Mr. Hyatt, and this is a walkthrough on how to create a Google folder, and I'll also show you how to create a Google site. So once we get to Drive, you see I'm at drive.google.com. I want to click New, and then I want to click Folder. I'm going to name it AP Chemistry, or whatever your class name happens to be, and then I'm going to label it with my last name because you got to think that when you share it with me, I'm going to have like a whole bunch of these that say AP Chemistry and a whole bunch that say AP Physics and so on. So it'd be helpful if you could include your last name in the name of the folder. So there you can see my folder name popped up. I'm going to double click, and then I'm going to go back to New. I'm going to hover over More, and I'm going to select Google Site. From there, it's kind of on you to figure out how to navigate the Google site, how to create it, all those kinds of great things. So make sure you pay attention to the requirements on the assignment sheet, and let me know if you have any questions.